Ano, pakaray. Dahil na nagpapakaray. W, X. Ay, ayos na. Oh, ayos na. I-send ko kay teacher. Okay.
Happy bones, let's do the skeleton day. Toe bones, small. Big, 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 small, small. Please, no, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, 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 no, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, no, thank you. Please, 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 no, thank you. Fast and slow, fast and slow, fast, 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 slow, 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 fast and slow, fast and slow, fast, 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 slow, slow, slow. Loud and quiet, loud and quiet, loud, 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 loud. Loud and quiet, loud and quiet, loud, 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 loud. Swash, quiet. Peek-a-boo, peek-a-boo, peek-a, peek-a, peek-a-boo. Peek-a-boo. Peek-a, peek-a, peek-a-boo. Peek-a-boo. If you like this video, bye you. Okay na.
Tell Sabrina to sing.
Talit sa dina.
Kaya naman, sing naman ikaw, ABCD. Diin na makuliton. Gusto ko mag-sing kang ABCD dili na. Nagkanta na nga ni si Sabina. Ika man magkanta. At dili na. Number 1. Sun. Anong color da kan sun?
Yellow.
Okay. Very good. Yellow. Yay! Galing. Heart. Anong color da kang heart?
Red.
Wow! Galing-galing siya. Red. Ito. Yay! Dahon, leaf. Ano daw ang color?
Green.
Ah?
Green.
Wow! Yay! Galing-galing siya You're very... Oh, fish. Anong color daw kang fish? Nemo.
Orange.
Wow! Very good! Yay! Clap your hands. Galing-galing Whale. Ano daw color ng whale? Shark?
Blue.
Ha?
Blue.
Wow! Very good.
Yay!
Galing, galing. Oh, strawberry.
Red.
Ha?
Red.
Wow!
Yay!
Yay! Galing, galing. Oh, carrots. Anong color? Dakang carrots.
Orange.
Ah!
Orange.
Wow!
Yay!
Yay! Galing, galing. Crocodile. Anong color kang crocodile?
Green.
Ha?
Green.
Wow! Yay! Galing, galing. Ma-school na ikaw? Opo. Grapes. Ano daw color kang grapes?
Purple.
Wow! Wow! Ay, wow! Ano yan?
I want shark.
It's an A.
I want shark.
Ano?
Where's my Alice dress?
Bakit?
What the pink lights?
Mahina kuryente.
Where's my dress and you? Ah! Fried chicken! Yummy fried chicken! Ay, picture yan.
Turn. 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 Paano pa gagawin ni Dada? Paano? Turn. Kabila naman. Yay! Dance. Sit down. Paano? Hindi naman yung remote. Pag-pusti na. Hindi ako masulang yan.
Ano ni? Kung gapas.
Again. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O.
Say siya only. Say siya only.
Sing me.
Yay!
L, M, N, O, P, Q, T, U, B, W.
Yay! Abaw na.
imagine silhouette.
Okay.
Let's see how many you can guess correctly before the timer goes off. Question 1. Can you tell me what animal this is?
Yay!
Question 2. What do you think we have here?
Dog.
You would
Yay!
be correct. Question 3. What is your guess?
Elephant.
Yay!
Question 4. Which animal do we have now?
What's that?
What's that, Mommy?
Rhinoceros.
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 The answer is rhinoceros.
Yay!
Yes. Question 5.
What's that?
Sea.
Wait,
Shark.
wait.
Whale.
I hope you said
Yay!
Question 6. Okay.
What's
Here's
that?
one you should get for
Akira.
sure, I think.
Giraffe.
If you guess the correct on this one, then you get a point. Question 7. Any
What's-
guesses on this one?
What's that?
What's-
Crocodile.
Crocodile.
This here is a crocodile.
Yay!
Although I would also accept alligator for an answer. Question 8. Look closely. Don't be fooled here.
You know that. Window.
Deer. Okay, it's a deer.
Window.
Did you say a deer? You would be correct. Question
Yay.
9. Recognize this animal?
Dumpling.
Yay. What's that?
Dumpling.
The correct answer is dolphin.
Dumpling.
Pakpak man nga ni ka mo pag
Question
nangan
10.
say.
I
Oh.
What's that?
wonder if this one will tell you.
Wow,
Very
very
good. It's a bear.
Is that a bear?
The answer
Yeah.
Get it right. Question 11. What do
Oh,
you think
ano
we
yan?
have here?
Ring ring.
Wow!
Going tolo.
The answer is a penguin.
Yay!
Question 12.
What's
What
that?
animal could
A
this be?
horse.
It's Question 13. I hope you were able to
what's
get this one.
Yay, very good.
Unbelievable!
The correct answer. Question 14.
Ano yan?
Maybe take a second.
Yay! Very good. Ba yun?
The answer is
White.
Si White
question
ito.
15.
Oh,
What do
ano
we have
yan?
here?
Ah?
Wow!
Oink, oink.
Yes. It's an oink
Yay! Mag-
Question 16.
Oh, ano yan? Wildlife ostrich.
Ostrich.
Yay!
This one is
An ostrich.
Question
Ostrich.
17. Do
Oh.
you know the animal here?
Lion.
Very good.
What? That's people.
The animal is
It's a lion. O yan, meron pa ako yan.
Ano yan?
my favorites.
What's that?
Seahorse.
Sea?
Seahorse.
Yay!
The
Here.
answer is I just love them. They look cool. Question 19. Now, what is
Leon.
this here?
What's that?
It's a shark. Hammerhead.
Hammerhead.
Yeah, hammerhead shark.
The correct answer is
Yay!
question 20. Here's
Whoa,
an
what's
easy
that?
point, I think.
Rabbit.
Wow!
Bayan talaga. Pang-engineering.
The answer was a rabbit.
Wow, you're dancing. Wow, so pretty.
Wala na.
Penal. Subok ng marami. Subok for 36 years. Subok ni
I
Doc.
don't know
Bilis relief na
po.
subok
What
na.
happened to
Doc
me?
na. Unilab yan.
I don't know po.
It's very
It's very dirty.
Sakit na tiwanis. May bilis relief Dolphinal. Subok ng marami. Subok for 36 years. Subok ni Doc. Bilis relief na subok na. Dolphinal. Unilab yan.
That is coffee.
Toothache.
Because I'm a coffee lover.
May bilis relief Dolphinal. Subok ng marami. Subok for 36 years. Subok ni Doc.
Ha?
Bilis relief na subok na. Dolphinal.
That timpla that for me.
Toothache. Sakit na tiwanis.
How are you?
May bilis relief Dolphinal. Subok ng
How are
marami.
you?
Subok for 36 years.
Uy, what are you doing po? Uy, that is bad. Why are you eating that? It's a dirt. Hey, magkakasakit ka niyan. Uy, don't eat that. Oh my goodness. How are you? Uy, it's a dirt. How are you?
happy. Why from this one? Why go from up work?
Tapos na work. That's why.
Why sit down here?
Siyempre, nag-work ako. Ikaw, bakit ka nagsisit down dyan? Oh, why are you touching my keyboard?
I'm working also.
Ah! You're working also?
It was my princess laptop.
I don't know. It's in your house, I think.
Wala, my house.
Wala sa house nyo?
Yes, wala.
Andoon.
Kasi grabe ka.
Grabe ka. Kasi grabe ka. How are you po?
I'm okay, bye.
Ah, you're okay na. Hindi na masakit ulo mo. Hey,
Sakit tummy.
masakit tummy mo. Bakit masakit tummy mo? Joke only. Eme lang. Why are you touching my keyboard again and again? Hey! I will not stare at you. Okay. Okay, I will not wake up you. You better sleep now. Good night. Good night.
Bakit talaga akong petak?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dada. Dada, blow. Blow.
Okay. Yay! Oops! Jabbar!
Look at your hair. You have a messy hair. You have a messy.
But I will be yours later.
Okay. We will take a bath first.
Okay, later.
Later. You're using the fork, not the spoon. You should use the other one. That's the spoon. Why are you using the fork? Baliktad. Is it yummy? Yummy sabaw? What is your favorite food?
Sabok and rice.
Sabaw and rice lang?
Yes.
How about fruits? What is your favorite fruits?
Lalo mango.
Wow, yellow mango. You want yellow mango?
Ipit ako. Eh, hindi man ipit.
Di manipit. Uy, what are you doing?
Ipit ako dito. May why you picture me?
I don't take you a picture.
Let's see.
Oh, wala man. It's low bat. It's low bat. I'm watching TV. Oh, look at me. I'm watching TV. I'm not taking you a video. Po.
Anong gawa mo there?
Saan? I'm working there. I need to work to buy you what?
Change clothes mo red. Like Dada. Hey, birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chief.
Oh, look at your pipi. You have no panty pala. Wag mong taas. Wag mong taas.
Okay. Hubakin mo.
Baliktad baya. Baliktad baya. You're using fork, not the spoon. You should use spoon. Yan. Bata, walahon ka. Hey. Hey. Ay, nako. Ay,
Bye,
nako.
bye.
Huh? Meron pa nga. Di mo pa nga nauubos. Ubusin mo muna yan. Are you a very good girl now?
Yes, like Sabina.
Like Sabina.
Yes.
Did you miss your Ate Sam?
Yes.
You miss Ate Samantha? Where is Ate Samantha now?
School.
School or working?
School.
Ah. Are you going to school also?
Like Samantha.
Are you going to school also?
Okay.
You want to go to school na?
Sabi na lakaw-lakaw.
Bawal maglakaw.
Sabi na why lakaw-lakaw.
Because I'm tired of sitting.
Ayaw uwas mo upis.
Wala ako office.
Sabi na sabi na ayaw fighting.
Fighting?
I miss out. Are you baby good girl?
Yeah, I'm very good girl, but I'm 17 years old and you're only 2.
I'm very good girl like Sabina.
Yeah, you're a very good girl. Oh, don't spit.
I'm very girl.
Yeah.
Very good girl.
You're a very girl.
I'm baby girl.
Yeah, you're a baby girl. Good girl.
I'm good girl.
Yeah.
Oh, Sabina, what color flowers?
It's color red.
What color leaves?
It's green. Oh, it's black.
How about the spoon? What is the color of the spoon?
White.
It's
It's
silver.
Silver.
The fork.
White.
Okay.
Wow.
How about
very good.
the rice? What is the color of rice?
White.
Wow.
What about the plate?
What about the plate? What is the color of the plate? Your plate.
White and red.
Wow, very
Very
good.
good. You're going to school na?
It's like a rainbow.
It's like a rainbow. Like a rainbow because it has two color, white and red, right? Yeah.
Yes.
If your teacher asks you what is your name,
I'm Princess Chudwa.
wow, where do you live?
I live in Taisan.
Taisan what? Taisan? Legazpi?
City.
Yeah. How old are you na po?
This odds.
Okay. You count down 1 to 10. Sabi ni teacher. Seisha, can you please count 1 to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Tapos then the next. Anong next sa 5? 5. Anong next sa 5?
5,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow. Very good. How about you sing, Seisha? ABCD in a louder voice. Di man naririnig ni teacher. Don't cover your mouth. Tiri yung ano mo. Tiri.
Wala battery.
Anong gagawin dyan?
Wala battery remote.
Wala na battery mo. Anong gagawin? Ni Dada.
Ako.
Gaganyanin mo, pukpok mo. Masisira lalo yan. Bye battery. Oh.
Look.
Sino love mo?
Dada and Mama.
Sino pa?
And Tito and Lolo.
Sino pa? Sino pa? Sino pa?
Samantha and Sabina.
Tapos, sino pa? Sino pa? Mama, Papa, pabaga.
And Mom and Papa.
Tapos, meron pa baga. Mamalet and
Mama let Uncle.
and Kuya Harbs and
Ate Grace.
Ah.
And Ate Hearts.
wow, love mo sila. Love mo sila. Love ka nila. Ano sasabihin mo sa kanila?
Mom, what color this one?
It's a clear white.
And blue and white.
Rainbow color.
Christmas every day.
Seisha, ano, ayos ka. Anong sasabihin after ka kumain?
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord, for the
Lord, and food.
food every day.
Thank you, food every day.
Paano yung kamay?
Thank you, food every day.
Okay,
High
very
five. Yeah.
high five, high five ka. Okay na,
Yes, okay na.
busog na ikaw.
Yes.
Opo.
You want only John's milk, only John's milk and Yakult.
Anong kinakain ni Baby Seisha?
Chiwa.
Chuchuria.
Only Yakult, only John's milk.
Ang pwede sa baby?
Yes.
Oh, why are you? Oh, ikaw ba yan? Why are you eating chichiria?
Oh, I want Chiwa Baya.
O, sabihan mo sarili mo.
Sabihan mo ang sarili mo.
You, it's like for you.
Oh, sige, kausapin mo ang sarili mo sa salamin. Go. Kausapin mo ang sarili mo.
For you.
Don't eat what?
I just eat Chiwa.
Ay, Dada. Can you please buy? Baba na. Ay, naku. Bataong ka ba? Ang lubot mo. Udo. Ay ko! Inipit mo! Inipit mo. Oh.
Ay, nani, ang bala ka lang mo kung ano. Anong question mo?
Next time.
Anong question mo?
Sitay. Sabi na why eating.
Because I love eating. It's so yummy. Ano?
Ate Sabina.
Ate Sabina. Sabina, I love you, Ate Sabina.
I love you.
Bule.
Bule. Bule. That's bad. That's
Wow! love you daw.
Tiga, ano yan?
I love you daw.
I love you daw. Sino yung nagsabi? Tiga, ano niya mo na yun?
Tiga ali si Askan. Tiga diit-diit niya wala. Hoy, bad baga ang chichirya sa baby. Sabi mo only Yakult and Dutch meal. Why are you eating chichirya? Uy. Uy, tiga.
The rice, what is the color of the rice?
What? Dada, this one my birthday? This one my birthday?
No, it's your mom favorite. Kasi na, so yummy.
This one says a birthday. Dada.
Ano ibay sa'yo? Louder po. Dada, please buy me po orange.
This my for orange.
Harap ka dito. 1, 2, 3, go. Say. Say. Say.
This my bike po.
Ano, bye-bye.
Orange.
Ano pa?
Orange.
Orange only.
Orange apple.
And then,
And grapes. Grapes this. Grapes!
Dada, look at your eyes. You're like a mumu. Oh, you are a mumu now. Sina, Dada? Dali na.
Okay na.
Okay na, sige na. You video na. Ano?
Don't video me. Don't video me. Don't video
Dahil man na naka-play para iyan, mirror.
No.
Mirror man sa nanday man na nag-on.
I love you. I love you.
Why are you crying?
I love you, mommy. I like to you.
I don't want to talk.
What the?
Why are you crying, honey?
What the, mama?
Anong itutok mo sa kuya?
What the,
Anong sasabihin mo?
sorry, mommy.
Why are you sorry?
I love mommy and brother.
Smile. Smile. You smile. Tingin ka dito. You turn around again. Turn around. Wow. Hold your skirt. Hold your skirt.
Sunod ka ho. Suwat ka ho. Yes. Sunod ka ho. Mami, yes. Bigay mo kay Ate Sandra.
How are you? Pagsangat ang first dalis. Oh, let's just
Turn around. Yan. Ang Where have you been, say? Say siya, look at your lips. Where have you been? Come here. Say. 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 Say, Mare. Say, day ka na dyan kay Sabrina. Where have you been? Where have you been? Your eyes is like a monster. You're a monster. May I see your eyes? Where have you been?
I
Where?
need the pasta. I need the SM.
Nubos mo na yan ang mugo-mugo.
No.
Oh. Gusto mo masira ang stomach mo?
No. No, just see what?
Hmm.
No, mommy.
Bawal ba yan?
Mommy, ini.
Sino nagsabing yummy yan? Sino nagsabi na yummy yan? Bawal yan sa baby.
Yummy yan.
Yummy yan. Kaong ka pa kichichiria.
No, mommy.
Ano?
I don't like Chiwa.
Nagkain ba ikaw ng lace?
I want to give Mama Chiwa. I want to share Mommy.
You share it to me? Your chichiria?
Yes.
Where man?
Doon sa cellphone.
Doon saan?
And the cellphone.
Oh, where have you been? Where have you been kanina? Uy! Diyan sa eyes mo. Hoy. Anong gawa mo? Hoy, anong gawa mo? Ano gawa mo? Tisha, ano gawa mo?
Mama, clap.
Why? Why?
Clap, Sisha.
Why nga ni?
Clap.
Ano? Ano nga napunta? Ano pa? Wala na? Ikay mo to. Gituruan ko na magsaot da ang aning din ako magani. Okay? Marunong ka na?
Umulat at ang ganito kung may sobra kailangan yung bawasan. Alright, welcome po yung mga bago natin dito sa ating first birthday. Okay, for watching circle, makinig ang lahat. Ito, Dabog in singing, rock yourself by two. Magkaroon sa dalawa. Group hug, by two, ayun. Nagkatagpo yung magmina. Okay, walang ahawot, laki bilog, hawak kamay. Form a one big circle, huwag kang bibigyan masyadong dito. Okay, hata na. Dabog in singing, rock yourself by three, tatlo. By two. Isama mo na yung asawa mo. Back to your seat. Don't worry, bibigyan marami pa naman tayong palaro. Burnok, kung kayo naman na burnok. Okay, hawak kamay, nakibilang may out po tayo yung dalawang kids. Hata na. Dabog in singing, rock yourself by two. Okay po.
Okay na, thank you. Halika na, say.
Ayan talaga. Dabog.
Nang nakilig yung maganda. Natakilig ka na ganyan sa work mo. Bobby, okay.
May sakit si Mami.
Bye-bye.
Ayaw mong gamutin si Mami. Di ba doktor ka? Akala ko gamutin mo si Mami.
Huwag kagsan sa ano ta, mabukan si palit.